Welcome to home! By the end of this episode, we will be able to answer the following question. How does light travel? My name is Layla Caesar and these are my fellow soldiers. Lexi, Nigella and Jamie. So here's how it all started. Around 2,000 years ago in the 2nd century AD, the Romans were the very first people to build a lighthouse. How cool is that?
A lighthouse? Why did they build that? We helped to guide the boat to Britannia when we invaded in AD 43.
What's Britannia?
No, Lexi, it's not what's Britannia, it's more like where's Britannia, and it's actually Britain, duh.
The Romans made lighthouses to guide the boats to Britannia, but how does light work?
Well, lucky for us, we have some scientists on hand ready and waiting to answer this interesting question. Over to you guys.
What is light? A tricky question for some, but certainly not for us.
Very true, Rex. You better break it down for them.
Neve, can you start us off with this, please?
Oh yes, I can definitely help you out. You see, guys, light is a room, and did you know that the sun is the biggest light source for the Earth?
Wow, that's fascinating. What else do we know?
Another thing about light is that it travels in waves and can be reflected. Oh yes, I totally forgot to mention that bit. Cheers, Rosie.
Girls, what you both forgot to mention is that you can't see the waves of light because they travel far too quickly for our eyes. Let's see how it's done.
Set up for.
Hi guys, Professor Layton here. Most people know me as the most accurate scientist in the UK. We are using blue tack, card, string and the use of a torch as our light source to conduct this experiment.
As you can see, the light travels in straight lines into the holes and into the card. And as you can see behind me, alternate the super sights into our iris.
This experiment here proves that light really does travel in a straight line.
Okay, so what would happen if we move the card slightly across? Psst, over here, we can help with that a bit. So too. As you can see here, because my group of scientists have now moved the card to the side, now the light is being absorbed by the card and can't reach over eyes. Oh, fascinating.
That is, Leah. The scientific fun does not stop there.
No, it doesn't, Callum, because I've got some more information that you guys need to hear. Listen up, peeps. Did you notice that the light was blocked by the card?
Yeah, I saw that, but why was that?
I thought you might have known that, Jacob. Okay, give me 2 minutes and I'll think of a quick way to explain this to you. Got it! Have you heard of opaque, translucent and transparent?
No, aren't these not Spanish foods?
No! So the card in the experiment was an opaque object. We know this because it doesn't let any light through.
Oh, this makes a bit more sense. But what about transportation and transferring?
I think you mean translucent and transparent. Translucent is when an object will only let some light pass through, and transparent is where all the light will pass through.
Is it a little bit like a window or a plastic bottle?
Yes, exactly, Jacob. You've definitely been getting smart here. I think we've covered everything we need to about Romans and the light. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye! #QuickyTalk.